mga katita mais, if you're looking to a place na malawak, malinis, maliwalas at maliwanag, pwede nyo dalhin ng pamilya nyo at mga tropa nyo. You are all welcome to visit our place at Unlimited Sizzling Place and Meximix dito sa Livelihood Garden, Marikina. So we are offering as low as 99 pesos unlimited sizzling plate. You'll get unlimited rice, unlimited soup, unlimited gravy, at may free ka pang dessert. On the side, we have tacos, chimichangas, we also have dynamite and also flauta. You can also get that for as low as 50 pesos as well. So, magandang place to para makapunta yung mga tropa mo at saka barkada mo. At makagandahan dito, pwede kang makapag-relax at saka mabubusog ka pa. So, makikita nyo, meron kami mga chicken dito for 2 piraso na yan for 99 pesos. Tapos may isang tropa rin na bumili dito na marami sila. Siguro 10 yung in-order nila. Tapos 1,000 lang yung nakuha nila. Tapos busog na busog pa sila. So, kung may extra pera ka, nagbabudget ka, pwede kang pumunta dito sa place namin. Diba? So, nakakapaglawa yung ganyang karaming pagkain. So, again, we are open every weekends from 5 o'clock to 11. And that will be from Friday to Sunday. And you can also pin our place, Meximix, Marikina. Pwede na kayo makapunta sa place namin. Google or Waze lang. Tapos, doon na kayo mapupunta sa place talaga namin. Okay? So again, this is Tita Mais and you can visit our place.